I think the word God at its core is a metaphor.
For what?
Everything that is, everything that is not, everything that could be, all at once. Any one thing, person, place, or thing, is both impotent and omnipotent in relativity to anything smaller or greater than itself. The atoms, the quarks, all the things of the periodic table, that constitutes us, flesh and blood. All of that, any particular quotient of that, went into the creation of you and I. Have you ever heard the phrase in English, the devil is in the details?
Yes.
So the first iteration...
I forgot about it.
Yeah, it's a classic one.
It's a good one.
It started out with a French writer of the 19th century named Gustave Flaubert. And Gustave Flaubert said it differently. He said, Le bon Dieu est dans les détails. God is in the details. The mystery of life is in the semantics, the little things. Maybe don't get caught up on the wrong semantics, but like engage with the little things, because there, but for the grace of God, go you and I.
So why does he say that the devil is in the little thing, in the details?
I think it began as a turn of phrase, but you know,
okay.
Sometimes people like ascribe a negative connotation to things.
So one should look for the details, or one should not? According to that sentence, one should not.
One should look for the details, because, and this is my own cosmological view of things, I think the word God at its core is a metaphor.
For what?
Everything that is, everything that is not, everything that could be, all at once.
The essence of it all. Okay.
Every atom, every space between the atoms, all the celestial bodies, the vacuum of space, from the smallest quark to the largest celestial body.
Almost like the unknown.
Yeah, because it's all unknown. And what's further on that, and this is something that's like hard to grapple with, I have trouble with it too, on account of its enormity and magnitude, is that any one thing, person, place, or thing, in the senses which I use it, is both impotent and omnipotent in relativity to anything smaller or greater than itself. Right?
Okay, further explain that.
You take the atom, a single atom, right? And it's whatever it is. Is it a part of a strand of that hair that you just...
Yeah.
Right? Is it part of that wall? Is it in that sun, right? That star, like above us right there. In and of itself, it's really nothing to ascribe great power to. But you move it faster or slower, it takes on a different quality. You split it, and then you make an explosion as powerful as that here on Earth, right? An ant, in and of itself, we could squash easily. And yet an ant can move something larger than itself, and moving in tandem with its fellows of the colony can literally move mountains. And then you can ascribe that...
Together, no? Or you think
together,
just one
but also
ant alone?
individually? Yeah, because it begins with...
This is not very good.
Okay.
Let me go right here, sorry.
Because it begins with one, either randomly or with intention. That is in and of itself the duality, right? Something that is and is not at the same time. And it could be something else in the space in between. I can't define how big or small that space is, but I know it exists. And that is a mystery, right?
Yeah.
So that's my own metaphysical pantheist
almost like
definition of the
you're
word.
to me it sounds like you're talking about empty space.
Yeah.
The empty space of the atom, right? Like the 99.9.
The empty space of the atom, and every order of magnitude higher than that, and everywhere in between as a gradient. Right?
What would be the higher realm that you're talking about?
I mean, the universe all the way at the other end.
So is that higher realm within the 99.9, or is it within the 0.1%?
I couldn't tell you. I'm not a physicist.
But what do you think?
It's a mystery. I don't know. I can't quantify it. But I know that it moves everything smaller than me including the various parts that constitute myself, within me and around me, and everything bigger than all those things, all at once is more powerful and less powerful than me at any given moment, relative to myself, relative to that moment. And therein lies a mystery, and also therein lie infinitesimally small moments, semantic moments, details, if you will, wherein agency and the opportunity to make a decision and change course exist. Does that make any sense?
Yeah, it does. It sounds like you have in your life grasped what the present moment is.
I try to. I don't always succeed. Most often I don't, because
and it sounds like you're describing it, but it's just a glimpse, right? We can never linger in it for a long period of time.
And we lose the moment.
Yeah, but how did you
I've
get
lost
there?
a lot of moments. Well, what I just said.
No,
I
but
lost a lot of moments thinking. And I often think further.
The thought process.
Yeah.
Oh,
and on a further meta sense, I was like, I wasted a lot of time getting to that conclusion. I wonder if I could have got there the same way by just taking action. But the problem is that, and this adds to the mystery of like, we are and we aren't. We can make a decision and we can commit to a decision, but we are also the byproducts of our environment. All the things that led us to who we are, right?
Yeah.
This is if you follow me down the rabbit hole as I see it.
Are we about to enter a rabbit hole?
Yeah, why not?
All right, let's go.
A gravel pit, as it happens, a rabbit hole and a gravel
right
pit.
here, okay, yeah.
Everything here inanimate,
Yeah.
surrounding us, is what we are made of. That too, right? The atoms, the quarks, all the things of the periodic table, that constitutes us, flesh and blood.
On an atomic level, for sure, yes.
Nitrogen and oxygen. And all of that, any particular quotient of that, went into the creation of you and I. And then when we're gone, I'm gone, you're gone, everybody's gone, we'll return to that. And even that will change shape.
So are you
form,
saying,
and substance.
from what, okay, I agree with you with what you're saying, but why is, what is the importance of what you're saying? What is the permeability almost of the words that you're saying? Is it because we were that at a point, or that has substances that also are components of ourselves? It means there's some sort of shared memory? Or
I don't think memory, no.
You don't think memory?
No, but a shared reality, because we come from it, then we become this, then we become that again. And then the definition of that, whether it's gravel, whether it's leaves, whether it's concrete, whether it's whatever precious metals went into those lights, or the lens of your cameras.
What do you mean by shared reality?
It's a shared reality where we change substance and form.
We live in the same moment.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
And then that moment becomes another moment. We become something else entirely. We are permeable things. And the world itself is permeable. And I mean that in the sense of the universe and the physical world and every order of operation in between.
But why do you think it's important for the psyche to attune to that? Why is it important to consider that?
Because it makes you understand how few choices we have of consequence that we can truly call our own for the finite amount of time that we're on this earth. And it makes it all the more important to try to be conscious of it.